predominantly sebab social media lah. Social media makes people envy ataupun admire. Can be good.
Sedikit sebanyak pun kalau kita tengok pun mesti kita ada rasa terdetik dalam hati. Alamak, asal dia
It can be anything tau. Macam example, maybe when times are hard, COVID. Some people are doing well. Some people are doing badly tau. Jadi macam ada orang macam pasal COVID tak boleh pergi mana-mana. Asyik-asyik pergi staycation. So yang orang susah maybe dia tengok macam maybe dia tak ada perasaan sakit hati, cuma dia macam envy ataupun terasa sikit terkilan lah, macam sad lah, macam kesian kalau aku boleh bawa anak-anak pergi staycation best but it's sort of an envy, you see. So maybe in this manner kadang-kadang unknowingly we ourselves invite perasaan admire, envy from people when we frequently post. But some people take it as I just post to share my joy. What's wrong with it?